Hi, morning. I'm Mr. C.P. Chong, the main speaker of the YouTube program, The Truth. So today's topic is basically talking about the truth of corporate trading in Johor as well as in Malaysia. Now, KTC Human Resource Consultants Sdn Bhd was established on 1st of April 1997, about 23 years ago, starting operating as an institute of higher learning to conduct LCCI, CAT, and ACCA program. Okay, up to now, then we have additional KTC DIA, Diploma in Accountancy program, and CIA, Certificate in Accounting program. So that means this DIA and CIA is more on the IPTS full-time program. The DIA 3 years program, in which we got the license from the MOE and the course approval from MQA, okay, for conducting the 3 years program in Diploma in Accounting. So the program also can be financed by HRDF, by PTPM loan, and also EPF. Okay, so all the full-time students, SPM, STPM, O-level, A-level, and UEC graduate can sign up this program. So the KTC DIA program, 3 years program, the course fee is only about 26,000 plus, and then plus the stationery disbursement, all in is around 30,000 for 3 years. So within the 3 years, okay, of this DIA program, of course you can obtain a diploma which is recognized by MQA and also MOE. Okay. Now, beside that, we can arrange the student who try to complete the 3 years program to sit for the CAT 2 diploma qualification and 1 diploma for ACCA and 1 advanced diploma. Okay. At the same time, for those students who pass all the 9 papers of CAT in level 1 and level 2 of ACCA, then we can arrange the student to also sign up for this exam conducted by University of Oxford Group in UK in order to be awarded for honours degree in applied accounting from one reputable UK university. Then within the 3 years, if you can complete the 9 papers, you can proceed also for the final of ACC. So that means now at the moment we have already 5 programs about accounting, full-time and part-time. So all these courses can be funded by HRDF if you are part-time student, right? So then can be funded by EPF and PTPM loan if you are full-time student. On top of all this funding from the government, we have this YPDS scheme. That means it's a work-study scheme where the student of SPM or UEC or O and A level, so long as you have this so-called distinction in accounting and English subject in SPM or O level, then you can so-called apply for YPDS scheme where you'll be paid with 1,200, and then in a 5 years contract, okay, your school fee will be free. That means you can save your 30,000, and then the exam fee more than 10,000 will be reimbursed for or they pass those external exams. Okay, so technically, for all the students who wish to become a world-class accountant with LCCI, with CAT, or with ACCA qualification, you all can sign up through the YPDS scheme, right? If you intend to so-called work and study at the same time, in which you can gain experience to get the income. At the same time, you can become a qualified accountant earlier, because to become a professional accountant, you need 5 years experience. Upon you go through the YPDS scheme, 5 years with working experience, at the same time you can complete your exam, you become qualified after 5 years with 5 years experience as well. So today's our main topic, besides talk about our routines, this so-called professional program, full-time, part-time, okay, of the ACCA, ACCA CAT, LCCI, KTC DIA and CIA program. Today I'm trying to introduce about our corporate training program. Okay, so KTC in fact is part of the CNA group of professional company as an approved company auditor, approved tax consultant, right? We've been operating in the market for 32 years. Okay, in the past 32 years, we've been conducting more than 100 rounds of investment seminar in Singapore, in Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, like in the city area like Shanghai, Beijing, and this so-called Guangzhou. So then we managed to attract about 1,005 SME and this MNC to invest in Malaysia. We have a customer from more than 32 countries, which are mainly manufacturers. Okay, so in the past 32 years, we've been serving thousands of manufacturing clients to do the setting up until the IPO stage. Okay, so that means as a professional firm, we understand the need of the corporate world. Okay, so now as far as the corporate training is concerned, we focus on a few programs, inclusive intensive English program for this SME and MNC. Okay, we also focus on the 6-day intensive program on accounting, on company law and taxation. Okay, so now for all the SME, whether or not you are contributor of HRDF, now the corporate training for your staff in the area of accounting, company law and taxation are very important. Okay, so for your information, under this COVID-19, it will result the very severe economic problem of the whole world. Based on the latest report in USA, right? So up to date, the unemployment rate of USA is around 16%. So which is equivalent to the slum area, okay, of 1920 to 1930 time, where USA so-called unemployment rate during this worst period in 100 years time, in 1920 to 1930 is around 16% also. That means now the US economy is the world #1 economy with the most GDP. So if USA is so badly hit, as I say, it's the most serious economic crisis in the 100 years recur in the year 2000. Okay, so 2020. So that means it means that a lot of these so-called challenges will be faced by Malaysia as well. So now in Malaysia at the moment, besides the COVID-19, our main income in petrol also will be reduced by at least more than half. Okay, compared to the petroleum price per barrel during the peak time is about 120 US dollar per barrel, but now currently is around 30 plus US dollar per barrel. That means the price of the petroleum in the whole world is reduced as much as 60 to 70%. Okay, so that means now our Malaysia economy quite substantially also depends on the petroleum income. So that means in the next 3 to 5 years, okay, you can see that not only that our Malaysia economy will be suffering some setback because of the world economic crisis. Also, I think our national income will be reduced because of the drastic drop in the petroleum price. So based on this one, okay, there will be a lot of these so-called expenses need to be incurred as a nation. Now, currently in Malaysia, there are about 1.6 billion so-called civil servants in whole Malaysia, inclusive the retiree. Whereas the number of this so-called working class is only about 14 million. So based on the forecast, there will be around 2 million Malaysians out of job because of this COVID-19 due to the retrenchment, closing down of the SME, right? So perhaps now if Malaysia left only about 12 million working class, where okay before the economic crisis, out of the 40 million working class in Malaysia, there are around 1.2 million of the Malaysian are paying tax. That means now less than 10% of the Malaysians who are working are paying income tax. So now if let's say if the working class left about 12 million, I believe the number of these Malaysians who pay income tax also will be reduced. Okay, so under this situation, if we still want to maintain 1.6 million civil servants, right, the expenditure side matches the income side, may not be able to get enough revenue to cover all the civil servant salary and expenses. So that means now it will result some so-called pressure on this private sector. Okay, so we can see now next 3 to 5 years. So when the government do not have enough income, enough revenue to cover the public civil servant salary and expenses, so somehow they will need to impose more fine. The fine from the late submission of income tax, the fine for the whatever errors made in the computation of income tax submission, whatever fine for the late submission of the annual return, okay, and the audit report, all these will be challenges. Okay, so that's why here, as far as all the SME bosses or MNC are concerned, so all companies need to be extra careful about the fine. Okay, for example, before the amendment of the Company Act, so a fine for the late submission on average is about 200 per year. But now, based on the latest Company Act, the fine, okay, for the late submission can be as high as 20,000 a year. Okay, so that is about 10 times or 1,000% increment in fine. So it's the same for the late submission of the income tax return or this whatever so-called errors that you make in the computation of income tax, in the submission of income tax return, we're subject to very severe fine. So that's why here, all the SME, okay, in order to ensure that your company is not late in compiling your account, submit your income tax return, okay, and also to complete your audit report in time and to conduct your AGM in time is very crucial, okay. That's why here KTC Human Resource Consultant has launched the 6-day intensive accounting class, 6-day company law class, and also 6 days income tax computation class. Through this so-called 3 so-called professional intensive 6-day program, we can train the SME staff and also MNC staff to be able to ensure that your staff can handle your accounting records, can handle your income tax computation efficiently. So in order to speed up, in order to so-called avoid the delay in the completion of your books or account, submission for audit for your books or account, and ensure that your audit report is produced in time. At the same time, this income tax, even based on the estimated income tax, can be estimated more accurately so that you no need to pay the very severe fine. So that's why the training of the accounting skill, the income tax computation skill, and also the company law knowledge is very important to protect the SME, small and medium enterprise, as well as the multinational company. Yeah? So to avoid a very severe fine because of the Income Tax Act, because of the Company Act, you know. So that's why here, this 6-day program, okay, can be conducted during the weekend, okay, on Saturday without so-called affecting your working hours. A lot and this SME and MNC, I think they are not willing to send their staff for training because they are afraid that it may affect their day-to-day work. Okay, but our 6-day intensive program are conducted mostly on Saturday. So that means now all the SME bosses and MNC employer, you can send your staff to our KTC corporate training divisions, right? So then this 6-day intensive program will ensure that your staff, after gone through the program, they are able to keep the full set of accounts and also able to do the basic tax computation for the personal income tax as well as the corporate income tax. Okay, so at the same time, the 6-day intensive training on the company law can ensure that your staff know about the rules and regulations in the company law in order to avoid the fine because of this Income Tax Act or Company Act. Okay, so in fact, as far as these 3 programs are concerned, it's very crucial for the corporate world, whether SME or MNC. Okay, so you are welcome to make inquiry through KTC branches throughout Johor, and then whether or not you are contribute HRDF, you still can send your staff to our company. Of course, if you contribute HRDF, you can get most of the school fee to be paid through the HRDF fund. Okay, so now as far as this the training, corporate training are concerned, we also now have one intensive English program. So for those manufacturers who engage the foreign worker, right? So if they are not able to communicate in English, okay, so you can call our company for help, where we can tailor-make this 6 days intensive program for your operator, okay, to be able to communicate the so-called simple English for working instruction purpose. So in order to improve your productivity and quality of your production, okay. So that means now this type of training we can conduct in the factory for your foreign workers. So those SME and MNC manufacturing plant who are engaging the foreign worker who are not able to communicate neither Malay nor English, can also call our company for help, so that we can so-called provide a 6-day intensive program for your so-called operator, right? So that they understand the simple English for working purpose, so that your supervisor or factory manager can give clear instruction to the operator, and then this operator can understand the instruction given and be able to carry out the instruction of the supervisor and your factory manager. So the language barrier is a most important this so-called problem. So in the process of the production, so that's why the training of your operator to be able to master some simple English and able to take the instruction of their supervisor and factory manager, so that they can work effectively and efficiently, is very crucial for the SME and MNC. So today, in fact, I try to so-called introduce some of my managers who are in charge of this our training division. Maybe we can start with this Miss Nini, as our this assistant manager for Desa Jomlang.
Hi, good morning everyone. Besides our 6 days intensive training program, we are also providing a 4 days SQL accounting software program. So if you're interested to let your company staff to learn how to operate their accounting software, you can also contact us for details. Thank you.
Okay, the second person is Mr. Aaron Tan from our Desa Jomlang as the center manager of KTC Desa Jomlang.
Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Aaron from the Jomlang branch. If you have any inquiries about the 6 days program, we offer trial class 2, so you can contact me for more details. Thank you.
So the next person is Mr. Alan Gan. In fact, he's a center manager of KTC Johor Bahru branch.
Okay, hi everyone. So I'm Alan from KTC Accountancy Johor Bahru. So if you are looking for professional accounting course such as DIA, ACCA, CAT, LCCI, or corporate training, 6-day course training, or SQL accounting software, you can contact me. Thank you.
Okay, the last person is Mr. Oscar. He's center manager of Skudai branch.
Hi, good morning. We are preparing our this coming July intake, and we have well prepared to switch all our face-to-face class into Zoom class for LCCI, ACCA, CAT, and some online SQL software classes. You may spend a little bit in order to improve yourself during this period. So if you are interested, please visit our website, or you can go to YouTube to look for the truth of accounting education in order to know more. Thank you.
So finally, I wish to welcome all the MNC's managers or SME managers or director to call our center manager of KTC branches throughout Johor. Okay, if you wish to let your employee to learn about the accounting, to learn about the income tax, company law, as well as SQL, those so-called accounting packages. So all this inclusive part-time program, we want to train this employee to be able to possess very important skill, right, in accounting, cost management accounting, right, through the LCCI, through the ACCA CAT or this ACCA program, which we do provide Saturday and Sunday class for all this intensive training program for all the UK professional program. So all this program, if let's say if you are HRDF contributor, right, so your staff also can claim the HRDF to pay for their school fee, even for LCCI, for ACCA CT, and also ACCA course. So finally, I wish to welcome you to make inquiry to KTC for all the program that we are providing. Thank you very much. See you.